Welcome everyone. As they say, you cannot learn swimming by merely staying on the platform. If you have to learn swimming, you have to jump into the pool. I am Srinivasa. I have done Bachelor in Computer Application. So today's topic is K6 tool for beginners, and the first simple step is installation procedure. So before going into the installation procedure, we'll try to understand the tool. It's a free and open source load testing tool built for performance testing. It's developer centric and scriptable tool. For installation procedure, so go to Google and just type K6tool. So you will get the K6 official website page link. Go to that, click on the documentation part. Now we have a quick start installation procedure. Click on read more. Now we have different ways or different OS, like this installation procedure for different operating system is given here, so you can go follow that. And I am using Windows, so I use this latest official package for Windows. Just click on that, the package starts to download. Once the package downloads, the setup wizard pops up. So you can follow the setup wizard like by clicking next. Once you follow the setup wizard, the final setup wizard window will pop up and it will ask you to click on finish. Click on finish. The installation process is done. So this is a small 2 minutes video on K6 tool installation. Thank you guys. In next video we will meet where we will run the sample tests on K6 tool. Thank you guys. You're all winners.